after this we have done this introduction to functions. Let's take the first example. Now what we'll do is we'll move on to the dev console. So what I would want you to do is pause the video and go to dev console, or you can do that after you finish this video. Once we are there, we will write a function with using this keyword function and give it a name like square or any name. And here I'm taking a parameter, like a is a parameter right now, and it will return a times a. That's it, and that's the end of the function declaration. Then we will check if square, and we'll pass a number like 10 or something, and whether it really squares or not. After that, we will assign it to a variable. Now you see we have declared this as a function, right? This is the function name. What we are trying to do is that a function name can be assigned to a variable. So my f is another function. Okay, we are assigning that. Notice that I do not have this parenthesis around square. If I do have parenthesis, then it will become a function call. So now my f would point to the same square. So what we can do is we can use my f to call the function. Let's see this. Okay, I take up a dev console and I can go to inspect, and this is how I get my dev console. Now I'll get it here. I'll clear that and I'll minimize this. Right now I'm declaring a function and I'm naming it square. Okay, so this is how you declare a function, and here I'm passing it a variable, a parameter. Then I'm opening the function definition. Then I would return whatever I get in a. I multiply that with a and I return it. Okay, and then I close this. Once I close this and press enter, it returns undefined. That's fine. Now I want to see what is square, so I just type square and it says that it's a function, and look at the definition. It returns the function definition if we just type square. Okay, now what I would do is I would call the function. That's the difference, right? Now in the earlier one, when I did not use this parenthesis, I did not call the function. Now I'm calling the function. You see it returns 81. So it works. Next thing is I want to assign this function to a variable. So I have a variable var and I'm declaring is like say my f. Okay, my function is square. Notice that I'm not calling it like this. I'm just passing the name of the function. Okay, now if I check what is the my f, it is same as square. So notice that this square and its definition is same as my f and its definition. So if I go ahead and call my f with some parameter, it returns, right? So what we have seen is that what we have told earlier, we have said that you can assign a function to a variable. So I have assigned a function square to another variable, and that again itself becomes a function. So if I do a type of, what do you think I'll get? It's a function. If I do a type of square, it was anyway a function, right? So let's understand this, that a function can be assigned to a variable in JavaScript. We'll see the next feature in the next video.